These trade show counters are a perfect solution for your trade show or next business convention. Here are the included components to complete your setup. First, lay the countertop with the shelf down on the floor with the top side down. Next, grab the two supporting poles and place them over their desired spots with the screw holes lined up accordingly. Take the Allen key and the 6x15mm connection screws and twist them in securely on each post. Helpful tip: instead of adding your banner frame to the pole supports, take the central curved profile bracket and one of the side flat profile brackets and attach them together to form an L shape. Then slide in the banner lens from the side, and if you have a helper nearby, have them assist you in holding the banner in place while you add the opposite side profile and top profile and tighten them to secure it together. You can then turn the panel with the banner over and place it between the side support poles within the slots, and then lock them in place at each corner with the Allen key provided. Now grab your bottom desk tray and place it on top of the two side supports, lining up the holes for the 6x30mm connection screws. Just screw all of them in so that they are all securely fastened. It's now ready to be flipped over, and you can then adjust the floating shelf to fit within the grooves on the side support posts. This will complete your setup of your PWDMG trade show counter.